Hi there! Welcome to this Draw With Me video, in which I show you how I draw my frog character. I am going to follow a cute trend and will draw my original frog character as its normal self, gender band, as a child, and finally as a villain. For my drawings, I will be using my alcohol markers, my colored pencils, and my sketchbook paper. It's now time to sketch the outline. So I always draw a first rough sketch of my character. I use a very clear colored pencil so I can easily go over it in the second step. I do not erase my strokes, so if you don't feel confident in drawing, I will suggest using a regular pencil and an eraser. Then I am adding details on my sketch. So I had the eyes, the cheeks and the smile. I also put details on the sweater. I want this one to be a cute and cozy sweater, so I'm simply adding a sun. Now it's time for the coloring part. Since I am using alcohol markers, I feel more doing the outline after the coloring. You can do a clean outline, line art, first if you feel more comfortable with that. I apply my colors. I will do more than one application depending on the shadows and depth I want to give. I love using markers because the colors are vibrant and it elevates my traditional illustrations. And now, when the coloring is done, I outline my character with colored pencils. I always choose a color that is close but not too close to the original so we can clearly see the contrast. Finally, I add the final touches. It can be another coloring to enhance some parts or adding details with my pencils. I also had some ink for the eyes and really define details so they can pop up. Now that my normal frog is done, I am going to draw it in different aspects. For the ginger band, I will keep the sweater and just add a big girly bow tie on the head and some on the sweater. For the child, I'm going to draw a tiny frog with bigger eyes and a big giant sweater to get lost into. Finally, for the villain, I will do something scandalous and take off the sweater and add evil tail and horns. And here we are with how I draw a frog and how I draw different kind of frogs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will draw your own frog too. You can comment on your drawing frog methods or if this video was useful to you. You can join me on Instagram for more doodles and digital drawings, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you for your support and happy drawing! Bye!